Okay guys, so today in writing we are going to start putting all of our messy plan into our first draft. Okay, so remember when we write our first draft we want to skip lines. That'll give us some room when we are revising and editing to go in and make those changes without it being too messy, okay? Now, you can do this in your writing journal if you want. I'm going to do it on notebook paper just because we've done a lot in our writing journal, and I don't want to run out of space in mine, even though I think we're going to. Okay, so one thing that I had you do when you were doing this plan here was I hope you went in and you did first, second, third, so it was easier to follow as I'm going to put it on here. When we did our expository writing about the type of animal we wanted to be and why, that was very structured with paragraphs. This one will not be as much structure, okay? We don't have to worry about our paragraphs as much. We're just telling a story about us, something that's already happened, okay? So I'm just going to, when you start it though, you need to indent. All right, so I'm going to indent a little here, and I'm just going to write exactly what's on my paper. And then when I revise it, I will go back in and add some goodness, okay? So Burr, the cool ocean water, I'm going to skip a line, was refreshing. And a little shocking. Okay, number 2 is way down here. We were camping 20 miles down the beach on the National Seashore. Ooh, I'm going to have to look up if that's capitalized or not, because that's the name of that beach. I don't know. We'll have to look that up whenever I am editing. Here, I might even put a little star to remind myself to do that. There were, all right, so I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to get mine written. Okay, I'm going to get mine written, and then I'll come back and show you what it's going to look like at the end, okay? All right, guys, so I finished getting all of my things all the way 1st through 12th on a two pieces of paper it took me. I went in order, skipped my lines, and just made sure I got it all down. Okay, so that is your goal today. All right, get your rough draft started so that we can go back and we can edit and we can revise and make it a wonderful piece of writing just like our last ones.